Hi kids, good morning. Today it's Tuesday. It's the second day of the week. And the date is Tuesday, July 7th, 2020. This time we are going to start with a review class. And we are going to start working on page number 100. Okay? So get ready and let's start reviewing our class. Okay, now let's read this instruction. Let's remember that instructions are very important for understanding the exercises. I'm going to read this instruction and you are going to follow me. It says, write the answers. Give me a minute. I'm going to take out my pointer. Okay, here it is. Write the answers to the combinations your teacher says. That means I am going to say operations. You have to listen in. It's a listening exercise and you have to calculate and work on the operations I am going to say. I am going to repeat the operations and the numbers 2 times. Let's start. Are you ready? Let's start with letter A. We are going to start working on exercise number 2, page 100. Take your time. And now, okay, let's start. 345 minus 231. I repeat one more time. 345 minus 231. Okay, take your time, work on the operation, and then you have the subtraction. What is it? Good. That's the answer. Let's continue with letter B. It is 515 minus 212. I repeat one more time. 515 minus 212. You take your time, calculate, and then you get the answer. Let's see the answer. Good. Let's continue. Let's go with letter C. Numbers are 432 minus 311. I repeat one more time. 432 minus 311. You take your time, you calculate, and then you get the answer. And let's see what the answer is. Good. Now let's continue with next letter. It's letter D. Numbers are 645 minus 534. I repeat one more time. 645 minus 534. You take your time, you calculate, and you get the answer. Let's see the answer. Good. Now let's continue with next letter. Let's work on letter E. Numbers are 745 minus 621. I repeat one more time. 745 minus 621. You take your time, you calculate, and then the answer is good. Now let's continue with the last exercise. It's letter F. I say the numbers. 832 minus 621. You take your time, you calculate, and then you get the answer. Good. These are the answers or the subtractions after working on subtraction operations. Good. Now let's continue and let's go to the next exercise. The instruction says, write the numbers your teacher says. I am going to say the following numbers and you write down. Number 1, 1231. 1231. Good. Letter B, 2142. 2142. Good. Letter C, 3323. One more time, 3323. Good. And letter D, 4536. Good. Those are the numbers. Now let's continue with the next. Let's read the instruction one more time. It says, write the answers. It says 1 dozen. That means 12 donuts in this case, or 12 things. Right? 12 things means 12 cosas. In this case, they are 12 donuts. Now, 1 foot equals to how many inches? Look at this. This is an inch, and let's see how many inches it has. 12 inches. Good. Now let's continue. 1 week has, how many days does a week have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. A week has 7 days. Week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6. Each week has 7 days. That means 7 days. Continue. 1 yard equals to how many feet? 1 yard equals to 3 feet. Let's check the time. The question for time is, what time is it? Look at this. This is a quarter. Let's remember quarter. And this is a half. So what time is it? Try to say it. It is a quarter past 12, because 12 is here. Over here, what time is it? It is a half past 6, because the time is here. I mean, hours are here. 6. Now let's continue. The time. Look at this. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. It is a quarter past 9. It is a half past 9. And it's a quarter to. It's different from past. This is past and this is to. Let's continue. It's 10 o'clock. Do you see? These are the analog clocks and these are the digital clocks. Let's continue. Now, let's count forward and backward by 2s. Forward means this, forward. I go forward, and backward means the opposite. I go backwards, right? And it says by 2s. Remember that it's really important to read the instructions before working on any or some exercises. This is a numerical line. Look at this. This is a numerical line. And now we are going to start counting forward, right? 1, 2, that means 2. Okay, now 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16. Do you see? I have counted forward by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Now let's do it backward, right? It's the opposite. I go back. 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, and 0. Okay? Good. Now, let's work on pages 100 and 101, and you can also work on your theme book on page 28 as an optional homework. Good luck, and I see you soon. I love you so much. Bye.